Bullish Altura cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 12 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ALU could reach 5 cents by 2025. Bearish Altura market cost expectation for 2023 is 1 cent. Altura presentation. We will examine Altura cost expectation for the impending year and past in this aid, as well as our own and the market's cost forecasts for ALU's future. If it's not too much trouble, recall that making forecasts is troublesome, not to mention making cost expectations about the fate of a pristine, incredibly unstable monetary instrument like Altura. Think about this and some other expectations while considering other factors. How about we get everything rolling at this point? Before we dive into the examination of the Altura cost expectation and answer questions like regardless of whether ALU is a shrewd venture, why ALU will succeed or come up short, or why the Altura cost will increment or decline, we should momentarily view what ALU is in its earlier exhibition. What is Altura? Any video game that permits players to claim computerized resources incorporates a ton of in-game items and a market cap. In-game products, notwithstanding, are concentrated, hard to exchange, and challenging to coordinate. With the assistance of the shrewd agreement stage Altura, game planners might make, exchange, and convey brilliant NFTs that address in-game products. Shrewd NFTs have dynamic elements that can adjust contingent upon explicit conditions. Decentralized in-game items will turn out to be more ordinary with the utilization of shrewd NFTs, which give a huge swath of potential choices not accessible with standard NFTs. We plan to give a basic UI and programming interface for building savvy NFTs, as well as an open trade where NFTs can be exchanged for Altura tokens. At long last, we need to bring really irregular brilliant plunder boxes to the blockchain. Altura specialized investigation. Trading views top to bottom specialized examination device empowers the stockpile of the joined ALU trade exhortation continuously for the chose time span, regardless of whether it is challenging to offer 100% exact specialized investigation for the Altura coin. Moving midpoints, oscillators, and turn focuses, the three most conspicuous specialized pointers, structure the premise of the ALU-USD study. Altura current cost. Altura is as of now worth 1 cent USD. ALU has moved 6.57% as of now with an exchanging volume of $410,271. Altura is as of now positioned 757 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $9,272,588 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Altura to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Altura market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Altura value expectation 2023. Altura, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ALU cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 2 cents. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 2 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ALU is supposed to have a base worth of 1 cent. Altura value expectation 2024. In 2024, Altura ALU cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ALU will before long outperform 3 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALU's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ALU will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 2 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 3 cents. Altura value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 5 cents and ALU might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALU is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 4 cents and a low of 4 cents in 2025. Altura value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Altura effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ALU coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALU will be green in 2026. The ALU is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 6 cents, with a base cost of 5 cents and a typical cost of 6 cents. Altura value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALU cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 7 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 7 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALU has a greatest value worth of 8 cents. Altura value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 9 cents. In the event that ALU figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 9 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ALU needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 8 cents. Altura value expectation 2029. While ALU is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 10 cents and a yearly cost close above 11 cents in 2029. Altura value forecast 2030. By 2030, Altura will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 11 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 12 cents, averaging out at 12 cents. Altura value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ALU cost in 2031 is projected to be 14 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 13 cents. And Altura has changed various ventures since its delivery. The coin has gotten endorsement from a few controllers, and a gathering of particular designers is striving to advance it and widen use. This manual gives an assessment of ALU's past exhibition and the probability of future achievement. That is everything until further notice. We regularly add new satisfied to our site with an end goal to assist you in any capacity we with can. What is the Altura cost today? Today, Altura is exchanging at 1 cent with a complete market capitalization of $9,272,588. Is Altura a wise venture? Altura ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that ALU is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Altura at any point go? The typical cost of Altura might perhaps reach 2 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Altura might outperform 9 cents. What amount will Altura be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prominence of digital currency in Altura, a drawn-out interest in ALU could see the value ascend to 9 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Altura be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Altura today, similarly as with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of ALU might actually ascend to 18 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Altura cost be in 2024? Altura cost is supposed to reach 3 cents by 2024. What will the Altura cost be in 2025? Altura cost is supposed to reach 5 cents by 2025. What will the Altura cost be in 2026? Altura cost is supposed to reach 6 cents by 2026. What will the Altura cost be in 2027? Altura cost is supposed to reach 8 cents by 2027. What will the Altura cost be in 2028? Altura cost is supposed to reach 9 cents by 2028. What will the